Hello, Nona Igbo Online College. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say who you are or what you are. Who or what you are. If this is what you would like to learn, then let's begin. Saying who or what you are in Igbo. I am Abum. I am Kelvin. Abum Kelvin. I am a Nigerian. Abum onye Nigeria. I am an American. Abum onye America. I am white. By white, I mean the white race. The white race. Abum onye ọcha. I am black. By black, I mean Africans, black people. I am black. Abum onye isi ojii. I am a nurse. Abum nurse. I am a doctor. Abum dibia bekee. I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. I am a human being. Abum mmadụ. Abum mmadụ. I am a driver. Abum ọkwọ ụgbọala. Now let's go over only the Igbo sentences. Abum Kelvin. Abum onye Nigeria. Abum onye America. Abum onye ọcha. Abum onye isi ojii. Abum nurse. Abum dibia bekee. You can also say abum doctor. Abum onye nkuzi. Abum mmadụ. Abum ọkwọ ụgbọala. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment in the comment section. And I will see you in my next one. Okay, Messia.